Hey, what's up guys? So if you need to change your bulb in this little vanity light, the best way to do it is get yourself a little tiny flathead or something very similar to this, and there's a little notch right here in the lens and up here as well, and you want to just pop that off. I'll go ahead and show you, and they kind of spring off really fast, so be careful. See, just like that. And then your bulb's right there. Basically what you do is you just gently push these prongs apart, and then you could take the bulb out. I just installed this, so I'm not going to take it out because I want it to remain nice and tight. But when you put this back in, you just start with one side like that and just push it in gently, and there you go. I actually just replaced this whole thing because this one on this car was all scuffed up and they wanted it to look good. If you want to take the whole thing out, I mean, you don't really need to unless like the switch is broke, but this sits in here. It sits in here like this. So what you want to do is move the visor and then go from the back side and pop it out that way, because there's a little spring right here, that little tab right there. On this side it's just like a stationary little piece of plastic that holds it in place. But yeah, let's see if we can get the bulb out and see a number on a bulb. Let's see. I'm not really seeing a number. Well, I see a number, but it's a little too small for me to see. Yeah, I can't really see it. Get yourself like a magnifying glass or maybe some glasses. If anybody can read it, go ahead and put it in the comments if you can, or just put the one you used. But yeah, that's it guys. So hope this video helped you out. Get your light working, and that's it.